Garlic is a familiar spice in the kitchens of every family in the world, bringing rich flavor and many health benefits. For Americans, garlic is not only a spice, but also a symbol of culinary creativity, appearing in countless dishes from marinara sauce, garlic toast to BBQ dishes. To meet the large consumption demand, the garlic growing industry in the U.S. has grown strongly, applying modern technology in production and processing, creating great economic value and an important position in the international market. The garlic industry in the U.S. has grown strongly, becoming one of the agricultural sectors with high economic value. With an annual output of about 225,000 tons, the revenue from the garlic industry is estimated at about $300 million per year, serving domestic consumption and export needs. The entire process of planting, harvesting, processing, and packaging is automated by modern machinery, helping to optimize productivity and ensure product quality. Most of the garlic in the U.S. is grown in the state of California, where the climate and soil conditions are ideal for this plant to grow. The Gilroy region, known as the garlic capital of the world, accounts for 90% of the country's garlic production, equivalent to 200,000 tons per year. In addition, some states such as Oregon, Nevada, and Washington also have significant garlic growing areas, adding to the output for the domestic market. The process of growing garlic in the U.S. is carried out by an automatic machine system, from soil preparation, sowing to plant care. Before planting, the soil is loosened and the pH is checked with modern analytical equipment. Plows and levelers ensure an even surface for the best garlic growth. Automatic seeders place each clove of garlic in the ground at an exact distance of 10 to 15 centimeters. This helps optimize space and create conditions for the plant to grow evenly. Smart drip irrigation system controls the amount of irrigation water, helping to save resources and prevent waterlogging. Sensors measure soil moisture and air temperature to help adjust the appropriate amount of water. Garlic harvesting is carried out by specialized harvesters, helping to reduce labor and ensure rapid progress. The mass garlic harvester harvests 5 times faster than manual methods, ensuring that the garlic bulbs are not damaged. The automatic soil cleaner removes mud and dirt from the garlic bulbs right in the field, helping to shorten post-harvest processing time. After harvesting, the garlic is transferred to the drying warehouse, where the cold dryer system helps dry the garlic bulbs within 10 to 14 days, preserving the natural flavor and quality. The garlic preservation process requires strictly controlled temperature and humidity. Modern cold storages maintain temperatures at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, helping to extend the preservation time to up to 12 months. Proper garlic storage is the key to maintaining quality and flavor. After harvesting, the garlic is dried for 2 to 3 weeks in a cool, low humidity place and not exposed to direct sunlight. Ideal temperature: about 0 to 4 degrees Celsius to extend the storage time up to 8 to 12 months for soft garlic. and 4 to 6 months for hard garlic. Garlic is classified by size and quality before being packaged for domestic and export markets. Organic garlic products are increasingly popular due to the increasing demand for clean food consumption. Automatic garlic sorting machine. Garlic is passed through a sensor system to be classified by size and quality. Standard garlic bulbs will continue to be packaged by an automatic packaging machine, ensuring hygiene and minimizing direct contact. Do you know how a garlic peeling machine works? Below, we will introduce some detailed information about the operating principle of an industrial garlic peeling machine. The operating principle of the garlic peeling machine is very simple. Only one person can operate it, and it is very easy to tilt. Whole garlic is put into the hopper and into the stainless steel barrel, where the vertical shaft with rubber pad rotates. Garlic comes into contact with the rubber pad and other garlic. The garlic skin is blown off and falls off. The blowing part is located near the outlet, and the garlic skin is blown into the dust collector through an aluminum tube. Collect the peeled garlic through the collection box at the exit without the skin. When the whole garlic enters the peeling barrel, the garlic will be separated into individual pieces without damage and peel off as they move through the rotating shaft. The automatic garlic peeling machine makes use of the power and durability of the airflow of the high-power air compressor. The peeling speed and quality of garlic are directly related to the purchased air compressor. With a voltage of 380 volts, it is necessary to cooperate with a 5.5 or 7.5 kilowatt air compressor. The crushing rate is limited to 5 to 8%. Garlic products are packaged in many different forms, from small bags for daily consumption to large boxes for restaurants and export. Not only stopping at fresh garlic, the U.S. also owns a strongly developed garlic processing industry. Processing plants use modern technology to create a variety of products such as dried garlic and garlic powder. Accounting for more than 40% of processed output are the main ingredients in the industrial food industry. Black garlic, naturally fermented in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment, is a premium product with high nutritional value. Garlic essential oil, extracted by cold pressing technology, commonly used in medicine and the functional food industry. The garlic industry brings in an average revenue of about $300 million per year. In addition to meeting domestic demand, American garlic is also exported to many countries, of which Canada, Japan, and Mexico are major markets. Garlic exports bring in about $40 million per year, with fresh garlic products, garlic powder, and dried garlic accounting for the majority of the value. The garlic industry in the U.S. is a testament to the combination of tradition and modern technology. From planting, harvesting, to processing and packaging, the application of machinery has helped increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve product quality. With great potential and increasingly strong investment in technology, the U.S. garlic industry promises to continue to develop and contribute significantly to the sustainable agricultural picture of this country. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.